Hi everyone. In this session, we will learn how to create a class in Python. And first, let's learn some terms, classes, and objects. We look at objects. What's the object? Python is an object-oriented programming language. An object is simply a collection of properties or attributes. That means data, variables, and methods. Methods usually mean functions. So in Python, everything is an object. Okay? The variables and the functions. Let's see what's a class. A class is a set or category of things with similar properties or attributes. In terminology, a class is something as an object constructor or a blueprint for creating objects. A class defines the structure, property, and behavior of an object. An object is one of the instances in the class which can perform the functionalities defined in the class. Just now we said if a blueprint of a house is a class, for example, house is created from this blueprint objects. As a blueprint can produce many houses, a class can create many objects. Okay, this is a general description of the class and objects. Okay, now let's see how to create class. I divide into several steps to describe the process of creating a class. Suppose we will create a class of person or human being. Because a person or human being, the person class, have very many things, similar. You can see there are a lot of similarities, similar attributes or characteristics. Okay, to create a class, we use the keyword class. Okay, let's see. We create a class. It's very easy. We just use class. The name, class name is person. Just like the function we define, but here's for class, we use class, the class name. Okay, now let's run and see what's happened. You see there are some errors because we can't run a class like this. There should some content. Here we just create an empty one. We add pass. That means we will add some content later. No, we just create an empty class. Okay. No, let's run. No, you see, if we call this class, syntax error, not the class, the person is the class name. You see, it showed us the main person objective at there's a person object. Okay, Okay, this is a lecture. For the next lecture, we will see how to create objects, create objects. Okay, thank you. See you then.